I knew I had to recreate this look once I saw it on Overstock.com.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sharon, and this is Classy Shades Designs.
In the craft room, I found a 24 by 36 canvas and I fired up the Cricut. I created these petals on my Cricut and I decided to just simply place them onto my canvas, mimicking the design of my inspiration piece and adding my own little personal flair to it by giving some of the leaves a cutout, knockout design with a center core. Once I had my design complete, this is how it turned out, and I was totally satisfied, and outside we went so that we could spray paint the entire design. I have to tell you guys, this has got to be one of the easiest dupes that I've ever done. So using my Rust-Oleum black satin paint, I made sure to spray paint the entire canvas with 2 really good coats, including to spray paint the edge. I allowed it to dry in the sun so that it would be completely dry before taking it inside and getting ready for the next step. Next, I took my Cricut tool and I just peeled off all of the little vinyl pieces. And I have to tell you, this is so relaxing. It was so fun peeling these pieces off. I don't know, it was something weird, but it just gave me great joy being able to peel those off. Once I had all of my vinyl pieces off, I came in with one of my favorite paints, which is this zinc metallic, and of course I'll leave that link below. And I also used the white satin, which I'll link below too. Sometimes I mix both of the paints together to give me a lighter gray. I use the straight zinc without mixing it with the white satin to give me the dark gray. And then of course I use a little bit of the white in certain places here and there. And I just painted the insides of each leaf. I also mixed a little bit of glitter into every one of the paints here and there and created my own look until I was satisfied with how it turned out. And here's my version of this beautiful piece of wall decor. Tell me what you think. Did I nail it? I nailed it with a little bit of classy to it, right? I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of the Classy family. Leave me a comment down below if this is something you think you could recreate. I hope you really enjoy this video, but I'll leave a couple of other things that we've done lately so you can enjoy those as well. And until the next video, I want you to stay classy. See you next time.